Hi, my name is Chris Johnson. I'm the founder of Adoreboard, and Adoreboard is an emotional analytics platform to help brands make better decisions. So you're probably thinking, well, how do you analyze emotion? We work with brands that are trying to compete by differentiating, and how they differentiate is actually improving how they treat their customers. So what we're able to do is we're able to take the feedback that they would collect, or we can collect on their behalf, from social media, surveys, even Glassdoor reviews, to kind of work out, well, what are the emotions that are being expressed, and we can link those emotions to a theme that allows you then to prioritize the most important things that you want to improve for your business. So we started 2014 taking a seed round investment which included Clariton. What was really valuable about that is it gave seed investors and angel investors the confidence that they were being matched by a credible VC, and that money allowed us to build our proof of concept, allowed us to hire a CTO who was currently working in SAP, so it was a key hire for us, and we were able to build out our engineering team. So for the first couple of years we were building a team of engineers, and that was really important from my perspective because I was a non-technical founder, so we had the choice of whether trying to bootstrap or to actually get investment. So when we went looking for investment to implement those decisions, Clariton were really key facilitator to bring on those early angel investors. So I think Clariton have added three key elements that have really been key to our success. I think the first thing is the monthly contribution that our board member Brian Cummings makes. Secondly, I think that we've been benefited from their network, and that's been really critical. That's a tangible contribution that they've made. And then thirdly, I think that in terms of our follow-on, so the whole ability to extend our runway, Clariton have been there as a follow-on funder. So they come in initially as a seed investment back in 2014, and they've been able to follow their money. At the very start, it was myself as a solo founder. We went from 1 to I think around 10 employees. That resulted really quickly in us developing a proof of concept and getting that out to clients. We were awarded the best tech startup from UK and Irish University through the ITLG, so that was a very early proof point in terms of Clariton's deployment of investment, and that's kind of grown. So we've now worked with Unilever, BMW, Telstra, we work with have been working with Primark over the last year as our global outsourced analytics company. We're been able to grow double our revenue in the last year, and we're on track to double that again. So we're trying to get a double effect every year in terms of revenue, and that will trickle down to employees as well. We're seeing a strong growth in our engineering analytics, but crucially in our sales and marketing. So that's going to be a real key focus over the next 12 months, how we build out our sales and marketing team. So I suppose I can trace our success really back to our initial touch point with InvestNI right through to a larger VC-backed funding. So for anyone thinking about looking to grow their business, I would really recommend InvestNI Access to Finance.